Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to continue with the second unit of microcontroller and application, that is 8051 instruction set and programming. So this is the syntax of assembly language program. The directives and labels whichever used in the program, assembly language program, that has to be written on the left side of the program. Now these are the instructions. Here it is a mnemonics, the move, cpl, set b. These are the mnemonics of the instruction, and it is followed by the operand. These are the operands. Now here the comments are written on the right hand side of the instructions. So this is the syntax of assembly language program. Now next, first we will study the program of addition of two 8-bit numbers. Now the program statement is that write the assembly language program to add two 8-bit numbers 02H and 06H and store the result in the memory location 60H. Now algorithm is first start the program, load first number in A register as the accumulator register is necessary for performing the arithmetic operation, that one of the operand has to be moved in the accumulator register. Now second, load the second number in whichever register you can use here, any one register. I am using R0 register over here. Now add the content of register R0 with A register, then store the result in memory location 60H as it is given in the program statement, then stop the program. So directly we will write the program. First start the program with instruction org0000H, that means initialize program from this memory location. Then move A comma hash 02H, that means load the constant number 02H into accumulator register. Then move second number into R0 register. Then add A comma R0, then add the content of accumulator with content of R0. Next, after this instruction, the result will be stored by default in the accumulator register. So move that result into 60H memory location. Then end of the program. Next program is subtraction of two 8-bit numbers. Now here we have to subtract two 8-bit numbers, that is 05H and 03H, and store the result in the memory location 50H. So same, first number is moved to the accumulator register, then second number moved in any one register. Here R1 register is used. Then subtract content of accumulator and content of R1 register. So instruction is SUBB A comma R. Here R1 is there. So SUBB A comma R1. Then move the result of subtraction, which is by default stored in the accumulator, into the 60H memory location. Then end of the program. Next is a multiplication of two 8-bit number. For multiplication, we have studied that one operand is saved in the accumulator and second operand must be saved in the B register. So here one operand is saved in accumulator register and second number, that is second operand, is saved in the B register. Then multiply by using MUL AB. Multiply A and B, content of A register and B register. Result by default stored in accumulator, and move that result to the 55 memory H location and stop the program, end of the program. Now next is a division program. Now here we have to divide the 25H number by 05H number and store the result at 35H memory location. So we have studied that for division, the divisor will be stored in the B register. So here the divisor 05H stored in the B register, dividend 25H stored in the A register. Now divide A by B. So the result by default is stored in the A register. So move that result into 35H memory location as it is given in the statement of the program. Then stop the program. Now next is a BCD addition program, that is binary coded decimal addition of the program. So in this program the DAA instruction is additionally used. DAA instruction is used after addition. So we have to add this two number, and after that DAA, it is for binary, it is used to adjust the binary coded decimal result after addition. So this is the binary addition program. Next is the addition of two data bytes stored in the external memory. So here by using external memory we have to do the additions. So here it is given that external memory location as 3000H and 3001H. So here for 3000H is a 16-bit number. So we are using the register DPTR. DPTR is the only 16-bit register in the 8051 microcontroller. So we are using a DPTR register over here, and then we will first we will give the external memory location number, move external location memory location number to the A register. Then next number we will move into R0 register. Then we will add those two register A and R0 with ADD instruction. And for store the result, we have to increment the memory pointer by 1 and then store the accumulator content into 3002H memory location. Now here next program is to check the status of port bit. Now here we have to check the status of bit P1.7. If it is high, then send 55H to the port 0, otherwise send AAH to the port 2. So here first we will give that number to the accumulator register, 55H to accumulator. Then check the status of P1.7 bit with the instruction jump if bit is not set. Okay, so here we have to check the status of this bit, and here if the bit is not set, then jump on the here instruction. Now here label is over here. If bit is not set, then move AAH value to the accumulator, and if it is set, then move A value to the port 0. Now A value, that means 55H value, to the port 0, and if it is not set, then move AA value to the port 2. Now next, to find the 2's complement. Now how to find 2's complement? 1's complement of a number plus 1, it is equal to 2's complement of a number. So here we have to find the 2's complement of a number. Suppose 55H number, it is loaded in the accumulator. So complement A, by using complement A we have to find the 1's complement of this accumulator. Then after that add 1 to that number 1's complement, that means add A comma hash 01H. So you will find 2's complement of the number. So after the result, whichever result you will get, that result will be stored in the memory location given in the program statement. Now next is the average of 10 8-bit numbers. So to find the average, we have to add all the 10-bit numbers, all the 10 8-bit numbers, and divided by 10. So here this is the addition of 10 8-bit numbers, and after you will get the result, you will divide the 10-bit number, the result of the 10-bit numbers, by 10 to find the average. So divide A into B, A by B. Now here in B register the 10 number is moved over here. So this is the average, to find the average of 8-bit numbers. Now next is the addition of 5 8-bit numbers. Now in addition of 5 8-bit numbers, all the 5 numbers, first it will move to a particular register and then add those number, and check the counter. The counter is of 5, as we have to add the 5 numbers. So if the counter is 0, till then the procedure is going on, that means add all the numbers, and after adding the numbers you will get the result. So move that result into 70H memory location as it is given in the program. Now next, addition of 10 8-bit numbers, it is same as that. Now next is a block transfer program. Develop a program to transfer a block 05H block of 5 numbers from memory location 50H to memory location 60H. That means the block given in the memory location 50H, so we have to transfer into memory location 60H. So first we will initialize the counter is 05 as 0 the block of 05 is to be transferred, 05 numbers is to be transferred, so this is the counter. Then first initialize memory pointer for source array and memory pointer for destination array. Now source is 50H as the number is given into the 50H from the 50H memory location, and a destination pointer is 60H memory location. Then here first fetch the first number from 50H memory location to accumulator, then transfer that accumulator number into 60H number, then increment both the memory locations, source and destination memory pointer, and then decrement the counter. If the counter is not 0, then again repeat the same procedure. When the counter is 0, that means all 5 numbers are transferred from 50H memory location to 60H memory location, then end of the program. Next program is for block exchange. Block exchange is same as that. Here we have to exchange the content of block starting from 70H internal memory location with 80H internal memory location. So first initialize byte counter, then memory pointer for source array and destination array, then read first number from source array, then read first number from destination array, then write number to source array, here write number to destination array, then increment both the memory pointer, then decrement the counter, and repeat the procedure till counter is not 0. Next is to find the smallest number from the array. So to find the smallest number, it is given that array of 10 bytes and RAM location is 40H onwards. So here initialize byte counter, then initialize source pointer, then here read the first number from source pointer R0, then increment, then read the second number, then compare two number. If it is small, then jump to the small, and here counter will be decremented until the counter is not 0, the procedure will repeat. Now next is to find the largest number. It is same as the smallest number. Now next is a descending order. So here program to arrange the 10 bytes starting from 50H onwards, memory location onwards, in the descending order. So for descending order, we have to first initialize memory pointer, then 2 counter is required over here. Initialize first counter, initialize second counter, and 2 memory location is there. So by using this instruction, we have to arrange the 10 numbers into descending order. Now next program is for to arrange the number in the ascending order. It is same as that of descending order. Thank you.